In today's video, I'm going to teach you ChatGPT for social media marketing, 4 ideas and prompts to try. If you've ever stared at a blank content calendar or struggled to keep your posts fresh and consistent, this will make your workflow faster and more creative. We'll cover content ideas and captions, short-form video scripts, social media ads, and content repurposing and strategy. I'll share the exact prompts you can paste into ChatGPT, plus simple tips to tailor them to your brand. First, let's use ChatGPT for content ideas and captions. It can generate post concepts for any niche and audience, then write captions with strong hooks and relevant hashtags for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Try this prompt. Generate 10 social media post ideas and captions for a business type. Replace the bracket with your niche and, if helpful, add your audience, tone, or location. You'll get a bank of ideas that keeps you posting consistently. Skim the results, tweak brand voice, and double-check hashtags for relevance. Next, short-form video scripts. For Reels, Shorts, and TikTok, ChatGPT can draft concise scripts with a strong hook, quick value, and a clear call to action. Use: write a 30-second TikTok script promoting product/service. Add a key benefit or objection you want to address so the script lands better. Read it aloud and trim or expand to hit the 30-second mark. This speeds up planning and helps you maintain a repeatable format for higher engagement. Now, social media ads. ChatGPT can create ad copy for Meta ads and Google ads and help you test multiple headlines, hooks, and angles. Use: write T for high-converting Facebook ad copies for product. Ask for variations in tone, curious, urgent, or educational, and compare which resonates. This is especially useful for improving click-through rates and conversions, but always ensure the copy aligns with platform policies and your brand claims. Finally, content repurposing and strategy. Turn your existing blogs, videos, or podcasts into multiple platform-specific posts, and generate engagement questions, polls, and campaign ideas to keep your community active. Use: convert this blog into an Instagram carousel and LinkedIn post. Paste your content and tell ChatGPT who the audience is for each platform so it adjusts voice and depth. This saves time while expanding your reach without creating everything from scratch. To wrap up, copy these 4 prompts into ChatGPT, tailor the placeholders to your business, and refine the outputs so they sound like you. With a few minutes of editing, you'll maintain a consistent schedule, create better hooks and CTAs, test stronger ads, and squeeze more value from every piece of content you make.